for, it's not even a migration, I'm just moving servers. So currently I'm just using the www version, which I don't normally use, just to test it on the other server. So in Cloudflare you can just send this version to a completely different server. So we've got this white screen of death, I've got the console open. Sometimes that helps with some caching issues of this nature, but it hasn't in this case. And the first thing you do when you've got this is you think, right, I've got some PHP error, it's not showing. So you would normally go into your backend. So we've got backend here, which is really good. This is Joomla 4. So you'd go in and global configuration, and you need to check that the system is, that the error reporting is switched on to maximum. So, and when you're running production, you don't want anybody to see any errors that might come up, so turn it to none. So this is development mode sort of thing. We're not forcing HTTPS at this time because I haven't bothered setting up certificates or anything yet, so I don't want it to be running under HTTPS. So as you can see, it's not secure. But I was even going to the trouble of creating a php.ini file, testing different PHP versions to try and get these errors to display, but it seems that there's not an error. so for some reason the home page isn't displaying, and the only way I found out was by quickly just putting in a stupid page, and the application actually works, and we've got some pages that actually work. So yeah, that is a head scratcher currently, but I'm ahead of where I thought I was, because I was thinking, how do I debug this? Now, just on the errors displaying, I've been through the Joomla forum, and there are some people that had some really bad development plugins, badly developed plugins that were actually setting errors to off to hide some nasties, and then they didn't disable that. So that was what they had in their case, but this isn't what I've got in my case. So I do need to debug why this isn't displaying anything here. There's no source either, so something's up, and it will be with the routing. So my next step is the htacess to check on some of the rewriting rules that I've got, and to have a look at that. So maybe I'll just have a quick look. So here was my php.ini file. This is a standard Joomla install, and we've got a configuration, so we might not be able to edit this. And having a look through here, I've got quite a few. Here's where I was also attempting to show errors, so we don't need that now. That wasn't what it was. So I'm actually going to pull out quite a bit. Let's do something different. Let's just rename it for now. So this is just a this is a hack that you can use to just remove an htacess file. So I still should be able to get a home page then. I'm sure I've tried this anyway. Yeah, so it doesn't seem to be an issue with the htacess. So yeah, anyway, that was just to show a very weird situation in a very quick video. So yeah, thanks for watching.